Welcome back guys to Tomato Tech. Today I want to show you the 5 best apps for February 2019. So let's jump right in after the intro. I hope you are as excited as I am, and comment below if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. So let's start with the first app. First we have Overdrop. Overdrop is this app where you can put a clock or the date or weather on your home screen, like on the computer with Rainmeter. So for this you have several templates to choose, but as you can see I already have one on there. So let's remove this real quick. To put on Overdrop you have to go to widgets, scroll down to Overdrop widget, and then you can choose several sizes, but you can resize it afterwards. So let me just choose this one, and it automatically opens the Overdrop app, and you can choose a template. Some templates you have to pay. It's when there is pro version, but I think there are many good templates which are free. For example, let's choose this one, and boom, it's in there. Now you can resize it how you want. You can see your battery, the weather, date, and so on. I think it looks just clean if you have such a clock on your home screen. So let's go on with the next one. Next we have App Tiles. App Tiles is an app where you can put apps in the notification bar. So for example, let me choose an app, Booking.com. So like this. And now you have to go on here and you have it in here. So let me choose F3, put it up here like this, and boom, Booking.com. I think that's very handy, and it's a very good app. Simple, but it helps a lot. So let's go on with the next one. So the third app is MNML. That's a screen recorder, but you know there are so many screen recorders out there, but they are full of advertising, and yeah, they are just not good. And this one is a very good screen recorder. I can recommend it to anyone. So that's the third app. Let's go on. Of course I have another one on the list, and it is Remote Fingerprint Unlock. So with this one you can unlock, for example, your computer by your smartphone. So that's very cool, and I want to show it to you in detail. So let me grab my computer and I show it to you. So as you can see, this works very good and it's very handy. I think it's just a cool feature, and I show you how to enable this. So you have to go to unlock, you have to go to scan, press here, and then you can click by scanning if you have the application on your computer. I will link it down below in the description, so you can have a look at this, download it, and then just click scanning. But keep in mind your computer has to be locked, otherwise it won't recognize it. So you have to click this and then just follow the instructions of the app. It's very simple. You have to make an account and put in the password of your PC, and then it should work. If it does not work, let me know in the comments below, maybe I can help you. So this is already the last application, but let's go and have a look at it. It's Wally. Wally is a very good wallpaper app with loads of good wallpapers, You can go to categories, for example black and AMOLED, and you have several wallpapers. I think they look very clean, and if you like this wallpaper, this is also from this app. So I think they just look great. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. This is all for today, and subscribe to not miss the next one. I hope you liked it. See you another time.